Hey guys, it's your girl Anna, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing an avocado, tuna, and a cucumber salad. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I prepare this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's begin. So these are all the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be using black pepper, onion, red onions, cucumber, pear, and tuna. However, I'll be using the tuna, the canned tuna with the corn in it, the sweet corn in it. So here I'm pouring the tuna to one side of the casserole dish. And after I've done that, I'm going to get my cucumber and I'm just going to use half of it. Now you can use the entire cucumber if you'd like, but for my serving quantity, I'm just serving for 3, so the half of cucumber is okay. So what I've done is slice the cucumber down in half, then I'm cutting. You can cut it in whichever size and shape you want. I chose to go this size and this shape. After I've done the cucumber, I'm then going to get the avocado, and I'm also going to use half of a medium avocado. So I'm just going to slice it down in 3, and then I'm going to remove the skin. Now you have some avocado where you can slice it in the skin, but for this one I'm removing the skin. Now I'm just going to slice them fine, and once I've sliced them all, I'm then going to add the slices to the casserole bowl also. Lastly, I'm going to chop my onion, and I'm just going to use half of the onion. I'm using the red onion. It gives it a better taste, and for presentation purpose, it gives it a pop in color. So I'm trying to slice them as thinly as possible. You can go with whatever size you want. Look at that. Once I've combined the 4 major ingredients, that's the cucumber, the onion, the avocado, and the tuna, I am then going to make a vinaigrette, but first I'm going to combine these. So I'm just using 1 spoon, 1 fork to toss it together so that it will be evenly combined. And because the avocado, we in Jamaica call it pear, is a bit soft, we use both 2 spoons. Now I'm going to add some lime to this, some lime juice, and I'm using 1 lime. You can use lemon if you want, or you can use the bottled lime juice, but I choose to use the lime. And once I've squeezed all the juice out, I'm then going to sprinkle some ground black pepper, and now you can sprinkle to your liking. Now I'm adding some olive oil just to give it a bit of flavor, and then I'm going to combine. So you want to mix and ensure that your olive oil and your black pepper is evenly distributed. Now I'm going to put it on some lettuce. So if you're trying to go the healthier route, you can just have it like this, or you can serve it with whichever starch you like, but I will just be having it just like this. Now you should smell this, you should taste this. This is filling, this is tasty, and this is healthy. If you do like my recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.